Adding your resume at Glassdoor is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can add your resume in your Glassdoor account. So for that, we will go to the Glassdoor website. I'm just going to search for Glassdoor and I will go to their website. And there you guys can see I'm at their homepage. Now here you have to log into your account if you currently are not logged in. As you guys can see, I'm logged in and I'm currently at their homepage. So here you just have to click on this job section. It will take you to the job section where all the jobs are listed. Find the suitable job for yourself in which you want to apply. So suppose if I want to apply on this job, which if I click on that, it will appear on the right side. Now here you just have to click on this easy apply. It will take you to this link, which is apply.indeed.com. And there you go. So now here you need to fill out your information. You need to add your first name, last name, email address, and your state. After uploading all the information, you will be able to see this option, which is upload resume. So you just need to click on this link and you have to upload your resume. While applying for the job, it will show them your resume. So that's how you guys can simply show them your resume. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can upload your resume in Glassdoor. Hope you guys find this video helpful.